It's an art for growing your money, right?
Making your money works for you.
The way of growing my money.
Beating inflation and growing my wealth.
A way to create wealth. आप invest नहीं कर रहे हो, it's waste of money.
Helps you save your money from the inflation rate.
Saving my money, multiplying it. So basically my money works for me while I'm sleeping.
Investment is a way to beat inflation.
Savings, you are just keeping your money at one place. When you make an investment, your money will grow automatically and you will get a good return.
Saving is an outdated concept. It's right or it is not even beating the inflation. So investment is totally different from what the saving is. Collecting amount and increasing that particular sum of amount, right?
Saving is a place where you're just pooling the money together, but investment kind of helps you increase that money, multiply that money over a period of time.
Savings is actually just putting money aside, and then your money doesn't really work for you. If you're not investing right, very, very clear that you will not really be able to make a difference.
Savings are for liquidity. You need liquid cash for emergencies, but it doesn't grow your wealth or even beat inflation. For that, you need investment.
In savings, your money is kept stagnantly. And in investment, your money grows, which helps you fight with the inflation.
Investment is equals to savings plus wealth creation. So I don't really save, I invest.
So definitely equities, looking at alternative investments, even a little bit of money in cryptos, is just because I'm a risk taker.
Recently I started investing in Crypto, which is basically an alternative investment platform. उससे पहले मैं म्यूचुअल फंड्स डायरेक्टली स्टॉक्स में भी करता हूँ, रियल एस्टेट में भी थोड़ा बहुत कर रखा है मैंने.
So I invest in diversified portfolio, mutual funds, stocks, FDs, bonds.
Alternative investment space जहाँ पर fixed income returns आते हैं like GRIP, stocks, mutual funds, commodity, real estate.
Right from fixed deposits to mutual funds to stocks to ESOPs, asset-based investments, so all of them.
थोड़ा risky assets में, थोड़ा fixed income में, थोड़ा savings account maybe for the immediate liquidity, right?
Tax saver bonds, stocks, I invest in mutual funds, SIP, alternate investment options, so I keep exploring them.
Market volatility is a great question. You can't really predict it.
I believe it's a roller coaster. जब ऊपर जाते हैं तो बहुत मजा आता है उस टाइम पे, जब नीचे गिरते हैं तो बहुत चीखें भी मारते हैं लोग, right? Especially investing in market linked products. So be ready for this roller coaster ride.
That is something which is a cyclical phenomenon that keeps on happening. It's part and parcel of investment.
It's a reality and it's something that you have to live with, but at the same time, it's something that you have to protect yourself against.
मेरे को वो लगता है कि it's a great opportunity to buy good assets at a very reasonable price, and when the market is up, I sell those assets.
So it's you can say one of the worst time, but the time is not always worst. It will be your best also.
Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Keep investing 100% of your portfolio and allocate it in different assets.
I'll try to keep it diversified and try to invest.
You can use many hedging strategies, and for retail investor, portfolio diversification is the best bet. You can diversify your portfolio across financial instruments and sectors as well.
Proper diversification is very, very important.
Obviously, different avenues. Put 30% or your amount equal to your age in fixed income, non-market linked products.
Make sure that you are investing in a lot of different baskets, so that if something goes down, then you can also get a benefit from somewhere else.
You should not keep all your money in one basket. You should always diversify. I think that's a major key.